Today, our topic, as rich in history as it is in flavor. Yes, you guessed it. We're talking about beans. In gardens where the sunlight gleams, a tale unfolds of humble beans, with colors bright and textures rich. They dance in rows, a savory stitch. Our journey starts around 8000 BCE, in ancient Mesoamerica. The Maya and Aztecs were among the first to cultivate beans, integrating them into their daily meals and rituals. Beans were not just a source of nutrition but also a symbol of life and fertility. Ritual significance. Beans had ceremonial importance. For the Maya, certain varieties of beans were used in rituals and offerings to the gods, symbolizing prosperity and growth. Black beans glisten in the light, a velvet dark, a starry night. They cradle warmth in every bite, with Latin flair, they taste just right. Beans have been nourishing humans for thousands of years. Archaeological evidence shows that beans were cultivated as early as 7000 BCE in Mexico and Peru. Refried beans. Though the method evolved, the concept of mashing and frying beans likely has roots in ancient practices, with beans being cooked, mashed, and then heated with fat. Adzuki beans, so small and sweet, in Asian sweets, they're a rare treat, their delicate flavor, a subtle kiss, in every dish, a touch of bliss. In fact, evidence of beans has been found in archaeological sites across the globe, from the ancient Greek and Roman empires to the civilizations of China and India. Beans were a common denominator in the diets of many great cultures. Their versatility and long shelf life made them indispensable for surviving harsh conditions. To cook beans nice and tender, you need to pre-soak them overnight, 1:2 ratios, 1 cup of beans to 2 cups of water. And then cook beans covered on a medium-low heat from 2 to 3 hours. Pinto beans, in shades of tan, cooked with spice or plain, they span, from refried dreams to savory bowls, their creamy heart soothes hungry souls. In ancient Egypt, beans were considered symbols of life and were often placed in tombs to nourish the dead in the afterlife. The Pythagoreans were a school of philosophers and mathematicians in ancient Greece, founded by Pythagoras, circa 570–495 BCE, on the island of Croton in southern Italy. They made significant contributions to various fields, including mathematics, philosophy, music, and astronomy. The Pythagoreans of ancient Greece believed beans contained the souls of the dead and avoided eating them. Some historians think this aversion may have contributed to Pythagoras' death, as he allegedly refused to escape through a bean field when being chased by enemies. Cannellini, pure and smooth, in Italian dishes, they improve their creamy texture, a lovely scene, in every bite, they softly gleam. In ancient Rome, beans were sometimes used as a form of currency. More notably, beans played a role in the voting process. White beans indicated approval while black beans signified rejection of proposals. Navy beans, so tender, white, in baked beans or soups, delight, their mild embrace and gentle charm, bring comfort to the plate. Various cultures have used beans for divination practices. In China, cowrie shells or beans were tossed and their patterns interpreted to predict the future. Some Native American tribes used beans in similar fortune-telling rituals. Farmers, please take a note. The Three Sisters, one of the most ingenious ancient farming techniques involving beans, was developed by Native American tribes like the Haudenosaunee. They grew beans, corn, and squash together in a symbiotic relationship known as the Three Sisters. The corn provided a natural trellis for the beans to climb, while the squash shaded the soil and prevented weeds. This method maximized yields and maintained soil fertility for years. Black-eyed peas, with spots so bright, in southern dishes, they take flight, a nutty taste, a humble cheer, in every meal, they bring good cheer. Beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. This makes them a crucial component in vegetarian and vegan diets. Whether you're munching on black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, you're getting a protein punch that rivals meat. Health benefits. Rich in nutrients, beans are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, potassium, folate, and zinc. High in fiber, beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels, and promotes regular bowel movements. Fiber can also help manage weight by increasing feelings of fullness. Protein source. Beans are a great plant-based protein source, which is especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. They provide essential amino acids needed for muscle growth and repair. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in beans can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood sugar control. Beans have a low glycemic index and high fiber content, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve glycemic control, making them a good choice for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Antioxidant properties. Many beans contain antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases and support overall health. Digestive health. The fiber in beans supports a healthy gut microbiome and promotes regular digestion. This can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Bone health. Beans contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus that are important for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Whether you're a culinary explorer or just looking to boost your health, beans are a fantastic addition to your diet. Their rich history and numerous health benefits make them a true superfood. Kidney beans, so bold and red, in hearty stews, they're often fed, their sturdy shape and flavor grand, a kitchen staple, close at hand. Beans are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them in salads, soups, stews, or even as a meat substitute in burgers and tacos. Chickpeas round, with golden hue, in hummus or a stew so new, a nutty taste, a versatile friend, in many forms, their joys extend. Recipe: healthy and delicious bean and veggie stir-fry. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 bell pepper, any color, sliced, 1 medium carrot, peeled and sliced thinly, 1 zucchini, sliced, 1 cup snap peas or green beans, trimmed, 1 cup cooked beans, black beans, chickpeas, or kidney beans work well, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, or tamari for gluten-free, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger or fresh ginger, minced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Optional, for heat, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, optional, for garnish, chopped fresh cilantro or green onions, optional, for garnish, cooked brown rice or quinoa, for serving. Instructions. Heat the olive oil. In a large skillet or wok, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Sauté onions and garlic. Add the chopped onion and cook until it starts to soften, about 2-3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and cook for another 30 seconds until fragrant. Add vegetables. Add the bell pepper, carrot, zucchini, and snap peas to the skillet. Stir fry for about 5-7 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender crisp. Incorporate beans. Stir in the cooked beans and cook for an additional 2-3 minutes, allowing them to heat through. Flavor the stir fry. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, ground ginger, and red pepper flakes. Pour this mixture over the vegetables and beans. Stir well to combine and coat everything evenly. Finish and serve. Cook for another minute or 2, letting the flavors meld together. Remove from heat and sprinkle with sesame seeds and chopped cilantro or green onions if desired. Serve. Serve the stir-fry over cooked brown rice or quinoa for a complete meal. Enjoy your nutritious and flavorful bean and veggie stir-fry. It's versatile, so feel free to swap in any veggies you have on hand, or use different types of beans. Fava beans, so large and broad, in Mediterranean fare, they're odd, with flavors rich and textures fine, they grace the table, simply divine. Humoral theory. In medieval medicine, beans were classified according to the humoral theory, balancing humors. Depending on the type of bean, they were thought to be either hot or cold and dry or moist. Physicians would prescribe beans to balance a patient's humors accordingly. This is interesting. My advice to all comedians is, eat more beans. If you want to be very funny. Now it's time for a funny dialogue between a bean and a peanut. They are arguing about who is the better legume. Bean: I'm telling you, peanut, I'm the king of legumes. Look at me, full of protein and fiber. Peanut: oh please, you're just a glorified beanbag. I'm packed with healthy fats and I'm a snack time superstar. Bean: snack time? Is that what you call being the bottom of the food chain? I'm the star in chili and salads. You're just, well, a sidekick. Peanut: sidekick? I'm in ice cream, trail mix, have you heard of peanut sauce? And even in butter. Who needs a fancy salad when you can have a peanut butter sandwich? Bean: a peanut butter sandwich? You're basically just a spread. Meanwhile, I can be a main dish. You can't build a meal around a peanut. Peanut: sure, you can. Just throw in some jelly and you have a masterpiece. Besides, my peanut butter and jelly combo is more famous than your bean and rice duo. Bean: famous? If I'm not mistaken, beans have their own day. Ever heard of National Bean Day? Peanut: oh, right, and I suppose you think that makes you a celebrity? Newsflash: I'm also part of the nut family. That's like being royalty. Bean: yeah, well, at least I'm not a naughty nut trying to fit in. You're a wannabe legume. Peanut: and you're a bean who thinks you're all that because you can be mashed and refried. Bean: hey, that's a compliment. Refried beans are a delicacy. Peanut: fine, let's agree on this. You're great at being mashed, and I'm great at being, well, everything else. Bean: agreed, but just know I'll always be the star of the show. Peanut: only because I let you. Just wait until snack time, then the spotlight's mine. Bean: you're on. Just don't get too salty when I steal the show. Peanut: in your dreams, Bean. In your dreams. Stay happy and bean healthy. I will see you in my next nutritional episode. Oh, beans of every shade and size, in every dish, a grand surprise, your humble forms, so full of cheer, bring nourishment and love, so near. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.